Alert forecast.
First alert satellite in radar shows a front draped across 21 countries. So we've got cooler air to the north, warmer air to the south, and it's not really budging one way or the other. And that's why we're seeing thunderstorms form to the south of this boundary, primarily south of US 24, but just some rain showers to the north of it where it's a little bit cooler. And this is kind of going to be the case throughout the evening. So if you live in Wells County, Adams County, down into Jay County, Van Wert, you're probably going to experience a few thunderstorms this evening. The Summit City, Columbia City, might get in on a few rain showers, but if you live in Auburn or Angola, DeKalb, Steuben County, Noble counties as well, it's very likely that you stay dry this evening. You can see on First Alert Future Track those showers and thunderstorms passing through. This model showing some weakening by the time we get to 10 p.m. I don't necessarily think that's going to be the case just because things are arriving a couple of hours ahead of schedule, but still not going to be widespread for everybody. So you're going to have to wake up tomorrow morning, probably water the garden, water the plants, things like that. Keep up on that because we don't have a whole lot of rain coming over the next couple of days. I'm expecting dry conditions for your Monday, and the same case for Tuesday as well, which Monday, Tuesday will be okay days to spend some time outside. So your morning commute, a few sprinkles are possible, but I'm not expecting huge impacts from rain. So I'm giving green light conditions tomorrow morning. Temperatures at that time, about 72 degrees. Heading home, 5 o'clock or so, mostly sunny. Temperatures at 83. I expect us to get into the mid to upper 80s for the highs, and that evening commute also has green light conditions as well because we're expecting dry and mostly sunny conditions. Now fast forwarding to Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Tuesday expected to be dry, but our next weather system is expected to arrive on Wednesday, bringing us some more widespread chances for rain. I think there will be some dry times and there will be dry periods, so periodic rain Wednesday into Thursday. You can see another round of rain pushing in on Thursday morning with some drier conditions, at least briefly around lunchtime on Thursday, before more showers arrive Thursday night into Friday morning. And we need the rain, and we could be getting quite a bit of it over the next 5 days or so, which much of that's going to be falling in that Wednesday and Thursday time frame. You can see by the time things are wrapped up Friday around lunchtime, we could be talking about a half an inch of rain for some to maybe an inch, which is good news because we've started to see drought conditions creep in just a little bit more. We've got abnormally dry conditions. This spot in yellow, that's the precursor to actual drought conditions. This is a development from last week. We're still about 6 inches below where we're supposed to be in terms of precipitation for this time of year in Fort Wayne. So that's just another sign that we need the rain. Talking about temperatures real quickly, we're getting into the upper 80s, near 90 degrees on Tuesday, and we're hanging on to the mid to upper 80s for several days after that. And you can see here on your First Alert 7-day forecast, we're at 85 degrees on Thursday, and we've got 3 days in a row of 84 degrees for the high temperatures as we get into next weekend. Right now, the end of the week, the start of next weekend looking dry with another chance for rain and thunderstorms arriving on Sunday.
All right, thank you, Caleb.